Kia just pulled off something most automakers avoid with their bestsellers, a comprehensive mid-cycle refresh that changes nearly everything about the Sportage without waiting for a full redesign. If you've been watching the compact SUV market and wondering whether the updated 2026 Sportage is different enough to matter, the changes go far deeper than just a new grille. We've identified 7 key differences between the old and new 2026 Kia Sportage, so let's break down what's actually changing. Number 7. Updated, less polarizing styling. The most obvious transformation is happening at the front of the vehicle. The controversial boomerang-shaped accent lights and low-mounted headlights are gone, replaced by a far more conventional design that aligns the Sportage with the rest of Kia's current lineup. The new face features vertical headlight assemblies incorporating inverted L-shaped amber daytime running lights, framed by a more traditional rectangular grille. This updated look mirrors what you'll find on models like the K4 and Carnival. The front fascia is now stacked rather than spread out, giving the Sportage a taller, more upright appearance. If you've been hesitant to consider the Sportage because you didn't want to drive something that turns heads for the wrong reasons, this revision addresses that concern directly. The rear receives more subtle updates, primarily a new LED pattern for the taillights and a cleaner rear bumper design. While the bold 2023 redesign helped boost sales, Kia is now betting that broader appeal will serve the model better than controversial styling. But the exterior changes are only half the story. What Kia has done inside is equally transformative. Number 6. New interior. Step inside the 2026 Sportage and you'll immediately notice the cabin has been reworked. The dashboard has been completely reshaped, moving away from the previous more angular aesthetic towards something cleaner and more refined. The elimination of the vertical air vents creates a wider, less cluttered appearance with a more conventional horizontal layout. The steering wheel is entirely new, a squared-off 2-spoke design that replaces the previous model's round 3-spoke unit. While it might look unconventional, the wheel is comfortable to grip at the 10 and 2 positions, and the integrated controls are easy to reach. Anyone who's struggled to keep piano black surfaces clean knows the frustration of constant fingerprints and dust. The liberal use of piano black trim has been replaced with textured faux wood that not only looks more upscale but also completely eliminates that maintenance headache. Everything feels solidly constructed and well assembled. The simplified design approach makes the interior feel less gimmicky and more mature. The two-tone color scheme remains available as an option, providing buyers who want visual interest with an attractive alternative to the standard all-black cabin. The cabin looks great, but style means nothing without substance, which is exactly where the powertrain upgrades come into play. Number 5. Hybrid upgrades. Under the hood, both the regular hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants are receiving power bumps for 2026. The standard Sportage hybrid still uses a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder paired with 2 electric motors, but Kia's engineers have extracted a few extra horses from the primary electric motor. The result is a new combined output of 232 horsepower, up 4 horsepower from the previous model. The plug-in hybrid sees an even more substantial upgrade, gaining 7 horsepower for a new total of 268 horsepower. One of the most frustrating aspects of older hybrid systems is the jarring transition when the gasoline engine kicks in. The power increases are accompanied by improvements to the integration between the gasoline engine and electric motors. The handoff is now even smoother, with only a minor rumble through the seat giving away the transition. The regenerative braking system has also been refined, offering 4 levels of intensity that can be adjusted using the steering wheel mounted paddles. More power and better refinement are impressive, but they're meaningless without the technology to actually use them effectively. Number 4. New tech features. The technology story for 2026 is all about standardization and upgrades. The previously optional 12.3-inch touchscreen display is now standard across the entire lineup, sitting alongside a 12.3-inch digital gauge display. This dual-screen setup significantly elevates the Sportage's perceived value, especially on lower trim levels. The center touchscreen is running Kia's newest connected car navigation cockpit software, which is snappier and more responsive. It finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard features. Anyone tired of fumbling with charging cables every time they get in the car will appreciate this upgrade. Over-the-air software updates are now possible, meaning the infotainment system can evolve over time without requiring a trip to the dealership. Upper trim levels gain access to a 10-inch head-up display that projects key driving information onto the windshield. Highway Driving Assist 2 is now available, bringing lane-changing capability to the semi-autonomous driving features. Remote Parking Assist has been added, along with a fingerprint authentication system and Kia's Digital Key 2.0 Premium, which lets you lock, unlock, and start the vehicle using your smartphone. But advanced tech features are only part of the equation. What really matters is keeping you and your passengers protected. Number 3. New safety features. Safety technology receives a comprehensive upgrade for 2026, with several new driver assistance features joining the standard equipment list. The most significant addition is forward collision avoidance assist with direct oncoming detection, which can now identify and respond to vehicles crossing into your lane from the opposite direction. Highway Driving Assist 2 represents a major step forward in the Sportage's semi-autonomous capabilities. This system now includes lane-changing functionality, meaning the vehicle can suggest and execute lane changes on the highway. For anyone who spends hours on highway commutes, this feature reduces the constant decision-making that can make long drives exhausting. The parking sensors have been updated and expanded with improved detection capabilities. Remote 360-degree view functionality is now available through Kia Connect, allowing owners to check their vehicle's surroundings using their smartphone before they even get in the vehicle. The basic suite includes forward automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, automatic high beams, and reverse parking distance warning, all coming standard. These safety upgrades are essential, but if you're specifically interested in the hybrid models, there's another major change you need to know about. Number 2. New trims for the hybrid. The hybrid lineup is expanding significantly for 2026, adding 2 new trim levels that weren't previously available. The first addition is the S trim, which slots in just above the base LX model. This new entry point brings black 18-inch wheels, heated front seats, and black exterior trim. More importantly, the S trim includes enhanced safety features like blind spot collision warning and rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, bringing these important technologies to a more affordable price point. The X-Line trim is migrating over from the non-hybrid range, bringing its rugged-looking aesthetic to the electrified side. This trim features blacked-out exterior trim, aggressive 19-inch black wheels, and more aggressive front bumper and grille designs. Standard equipment includes a panoramic sunroof and power liftgate. Both new trims, along with other all-wheel drive hybrid models, gain access to a new terrain mode with specific settings for snow, mud, and sand. If you've ever felt your SUV struggle in slippery conditions because the traction control was fighting against you, this feature addresses that problem. All these improvements sound great, but none of it matters if the price pushes the Sportage out of reach. Number 1. Price. The final difference, and one that will matter most to many buyers, is the pricing structure. The 2026 Sportage is seeing modest price increases across the board, though the bumps are relatively small considering the extent of the updates. The base LX model with front-wheel drive now starts at $30,135. The entry point for the hybrid lineup is now $31,735 for the LX front-wheel drive hybrid, maintaining the model's position as one of the more affordable hybrid compact SUVs. The EX trim starts at $31,935 for front-wheel drive and climbs to $33,735 with all-wheel drive. The new S trim for the hybrid comes in at $34,035, providing compelling value for buyers who want enhanced features without jumping to the more expensive EX hybrid at $35,035. The X-Line hybrid starts at $36,935. At the top of the range, the SX Prestige with front-wheel drive starts at $37,735, while all-wheel drive versions climb to $39,535. The range-topping SX Prestige all-wheel drive hybrid lands at $41,835. The X Pro Prestige sits at $41,035, while plug-in hybrid models open at $41,935. Despite these increases, the Sportage continues to undercut many rivals by a healthy margin. The base hybrid still costs nearly $2,000 less than the closely related Hyundai Tucson hybrid and over $5,000 less than a base Honda CR-V hybrid, making it one of the strongest value propositions in the segment. The 2026 Kia Sportage refresh proves that mid-cycle updates can be just as meaningful as full redesigns when done right. Kia has addressed the vehicle's most significant weaknesses: polarizing styling, outdated interior materials, and a hybrid lineup that needed more options, while keeping the pricing competitive enough to undercut nearly every rival. The more conventional exterior design will broaden appeal, while the upgraded hybrid powertrains, expanded safety features, and standardized technology ensure the SUV stays competitive. For anyone shopping in the compact SUV segment, the 2026 Sportage now offers a more complete package than ever before. The Sportage competes in the most crowded segment of the market, so make sure to check out the competition as well. Starting with our take on the new generation 2026 Toyota RAV4, you can now see on the screen. If you thought this redesign would be mostly about aesthetics, be prepared to be amazed. The new generation does come with a brand new exterior and interior look, but it also comes loaded with new technologies and makes probably the most radical twist under the hood.